Good everyone, today I'm with a new unboxing and here I have ROG Ally X with me and I'm really excited to unbox it soon after I saw its release and I found out about the color and performance, especially the color because I normally prefer black color handheld consoles. So without any delay, let's get unboxing. When you check the box design itself, it's really good and I like the style of it and the black box, and it has information here that indicating what are the content inside and the performance, especially the performance. And so let's open up and see what's inside this box. So when you check out the box, when you open it up, and you can see this contents, and there's a small paper up there, and let me take it out and see what's there. And it says some general instructions about the power and also the power charger and all, and there are some codes, QR codes regarding some information on this console. And let's take out the main ROG deck itself and see how it looks like. The feeling is really good. Let me open up. The console itself feels really good and the buttons and all is really smooth and I really like it. And the color, well, compared to the previous generation, the color is really good and I like the black color, as I said. And on the back there are some M1 and M2 buttons. And the buttons, the thumbstick buttons are really good, and I really like the Gorilla Glass. And the screen is a little bit smaller, but still you can connect it up to another display if you want to have the feeling. Let me see what's else inside the box. We have a power charger and it's connecting through Type-C, and the charge itself also look good. And here we have instruction manual. So that's all inside the box itself, and let me check like what else in there and put it back. Oh, here it seems on the front cover, on the back there's like a small box here. Let me check what's inside. It's little bit seems like hidden. So okay, we have some stands, so you can like set up your console on the table. Let me try it. So if I talk about the feeling itself, I really like the weight because it feels like it doesn't even around 1 kilogram, and the feeling, the touch of the buttons, it feels really great, and especially the Gorilla Glass, and it's really clear and I really like it. And if I were to check the ports, Type-C ports, there are 2 Type-C ports, and there's a audio jack, and also there is a SD card slot. And it seems like on the back, if I check out the back, there are like two buttons, and seems like the air circulation is really good, but I need to check it out while I'm using it. Where I mean, when I'm playing some games, I'm gonna check out like how it feels, and like the physically, like when I look at it, it feels, I think it won't get that heated up. When I check out my ROG Ally X specs, it has a AMD Z1 Extreme CPU, also the storage around 1 TB, and the RAM is 24 GB, and it has like 2 USBs around USB 3.2C and USB 4.0C. So this is the end of my video, and I have unboxed and show you what's inside ROG Ally X, and now I'm really excited to try out the console. And generally speaking, the console, the feel and everything is really good, and I need to charge it and check it out, like the visual performance and everything. So thanks for checking out my videos and subscribing me and liking. And if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section, and I can put it up and I check it out and respond as much as I can. So thank you again, and I hope to make more videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.